ELF stock analysis and ELF stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Elf Beauty is so decent, you know, it's sitting at 125 bucks. Bro, this is my previous chart, you know, and I cut it out to the dot. Here's that proof. Well, obviously it's not even the first time. I've made well over 42,000 videos over 5 years. Like no one else has documented this amount of volume. This was made 2 weeks back, sitting at 113 at the time, right? That's my exact hello. This is what happened. Beautiful. Now, if you want to stay tuned with ELF and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, sure, just click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights. Absolutely first link below. But ultimately, all I'm looking to do is just double down. You know, like there's nothing crazy. More simpler about just following what works. And what works is that I'm looking to double down more. So only if rules are met, only then I'm moving forward. If not, I guess it's going to be a skip. And that's totally fine from my end, you know, like I know it's pumping. I'm just trying to juice the most that I can out of it. So that's it. Let me know what is your 2 cents and I'll see you in the next one.